Here we are, me and Abby, sitting around, chilling out, playing with our feet. What are you saying, Ab? Go ahead. Tell people what you think. I saw you stick your tongue out. What do you think, Abby? Toes. We like toes. Where's your toes, baby girl? Show everybody your toes. You're not going to talk now? You're going to be shy? Baby toes. Giant baby toes.